Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. So we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Next, we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of u squared, you got about 2u. First derivative of s squared, you got about 2s. Now, we divide both sides by number 2. So we will have about u du equals to s ds. The square root we change by u. S ds we change by u du. This one you got about u square. The integration of u square, we have u to the power of 3 over 3. And we put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.